My lovely wife has just arrived home to find me sitting in the boat. One of the forum members on iboats.com, jigngrub, feels like I probably have a rotted transom, and probably wet foam. So we'll see. I told him that I would do the check. He told me what to do, and so I'm going to do the check today. If I'm going to drill a hole right here and the same place on the other side. If there's rot anywhere in this boat, it'll be there. And if it's not there, it ain't anywhere. So at least as far as rot goes. So we'll see what comes out. I'm going to drill these holes and see what the shavings look like. If they're nice and light colored, everything is great. And if they're all dark and icky, then it means the wood's rotted. I asked what product I needed to use to fill the holes in that I drill, and jigngrub gave me the name of the product, and he said, but I don't think you're going to have to fill these holes, as in he thinks I'm going to have to replace my transom. So without further ado, alright, here we go. This looks like a good place to drill. Okay. Alright, there's one. Let's see what that looks like in the light. It's kind of hard to tell. Well, I guess it's dark colored. I mean, it's dark colored compared to the white paper it's on. It doesn't feel wet. I mean, it feels very dry. It feels like sawdust, like shavings. Let's try the other one. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if it's not obviously rot to me, but I don't know what I'm doing, so. Okay. What's that? Oh, that's an acorn that I've scraped up. It was already there. I mean, like, here's a light piece right here. Got some light pieces. I got some dark pieces. It's a little spongy in texture, but I mean, it's just been savaged by a auger bit. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know if that's indicative of rot or not. I'm gonna fold this paper up to save my sample. In other news, here's some of the sandpaper I got. 800, 400, 180, and there's my little test patch right there. And it looks like this boat used to be a pretty blue color. Looks like the gel coat its original color is a nice pretty blue. But I need to get a coarser sandpaper before I mess with that. And definitely a power sander. See if I can get out of here without killing myself. Also, I may have found a spot. Huh. When I do that, I feel little bits of moisture hitting me. Just flicking like that. So, something is definitely wet under here. Ah! It's my eye. Okay. Obviously need some attention there.